A compression test is a way of testing an engine's condition without tearing the engine apart. Engine compression is the amount of fuel-air mixture an engine's pistons pressurizes during the engine's compression stroke. Compression that matches the manufacturer's specification is essential for an engine to run properly and efficiently. While the lack of compression is most common, it is also possible for compression to be too strong. Overcompression can result in a problem known as detonation, which can be very damaging to an engine's internal parts. The first thing a technician does when performing a compression test is to make sure the engine is warmed up and has reached optimum running temperatures. Since the compression test requires engine cranking, the battery should be at full charge. Next, the mechanic removes the EFI fuse so that raw fuel will not be pumped into the cylinders. Remove all spark plug leads and then remove all spark plugs from the engine. Next, the air cleaner should be removed. The technician uses a compression gauge to perform the test. At one end of the tool is the actual compression gauge and the other end is threaded in so that it can be installed into the spark plug hole. The technician screws in the gauge with the proper hose attachment into the number 1 spark plug hole. The technician's assistant will now crank the engine over with the accelerator pedal fully depressed. It should crank a minimum of 3 cycles to obtain an accurate test. The technician will note the reading and document it on the mechanical inspection checklist. Once the mechanic has a reading from all the engine cylinders, the mechanic can compare the readings to what is printed in the vehicle's service manual. The compression on the Honda certified used vehicle must meet the specifications printed in the manual.